In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a talocrural ankle mobilization. This is a fantastic mobilization for those looking to increase their ankle dorsiflexion. All you need is a mat or something to pop your knee under because you're going to be in the half kneeling position for this exercise, and also a resistance band which you're going to wrap around the ankle of the side that you would like to increase your dorsiflexion with. So if I pick my right side because it's closer to the camera so you can see better, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this heavy band around a fixed object. In this case, it's a gym machine. And then once I've wrapped it around the object, I'm going to loop one side over the other, and then that way I've created a knot. I then want this here, the band, to be nice and low because it's going to be in a position where I'm going to be having this around my ankle. And I want you to look at your ankle, and then either side of the ankle you've got those bony prominences on your out and inside of the ankle, and that is where this band is going to be going round. So once I've got that into position, I'm going to be facing away from the band. So I've got the band behind me, and I want to come into a position where I've got enough stretch that I'm feeling my leg being pulled back, but not too much where I can't keep my foot on the floor. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come and bring my knee forwards as far as I can until if I was to come any further, what would happen would be I would start to bring my heel up. So you're coming as far as you can use your hands, you can lean forwards. As soon as you feel like if you go any further, your heel's going to come up, you're then going to come out of the movement. Some people like to hold that position and just do a static stretch, whereas others like to come into the position, hold for an allotted amount of time, and then do more repetition-based movement. It depends if you want to work more passive or active. So that is how you do a talocrural ankle mobilization to assist and work on increasing your ankle dorsiflexion.